Hello friends, this is Megha again and welcome back to my channel Crazy for Health. Good things take time and so we are back with another interesting recipe for all of you, that is Peri Peri Paneer with sauteed vegetables and a lemon butter sauce. Those of you who are non-vegetarians can replace the paneer with the chicken. It would taste amazing as well. But before we get on to the recipe, I would like to thank all my lovely friends and my family members who have supported me and my channel and have become part of the 1000 subscribers. I hope you keep loving me and my content the way you have been doing. Also, if you have any feedbacks, any suggestions, or any comments, please feel free to do so in the comment section below. Now, if you like this recipe, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any recipe with me again. Without any further delay, let's get on to the video. To make the peri peri sauce, I have taken red bell peppers, red chilies, garlic, salt and black pepper powder. Now take all of this in a grinder and grind into a fine paste. Add a teaspoon of vinegar. Next, in a bowl, transfer the paste and now take 250 grams of paneer and cut them into big slices. Next, pour the paneer pieces nicely with the paste and keep them for 5 to 7 minutes so that they absorb the flavor. Next, take a non-stick flat tawa or pan and add in some oil. Once the oil is hot, place the coated paneer pieces. Add in some more paste and now flip and keep cooking till the paneer pieces turn golden brown in color. Keep the flame on medium heat and keep applying the paste. Add some more oil if required. The sauce has now become a bit thick and it is sticking nicely to the paneer pieces. This process might take around 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, the paneer pieces will be ready, and now take them out in a plate. Next, we'll saute the vegetables. For that, in a pan, take 1 teaspoon oil and add in vegetables. Here I've used bell peppers, baby corn, capsicum, and now I'll be adding some garlic paste and keep sauteing them on high flame. Do not overdo since they will lose its crunch. Now add some sweet boiled corn, black pepper powder, salt to taste and mix well. You can add more vegetables like onion, red bell pepper, or cauliflower, broccoli, etc. Now add 1 tomato and stir well. In 2 to 3 minutes, the vegetables will be ready. Next, we're making the lemon butter sauce. For that, I've taken lemon juice, garlic paste, and mix well. Add some salt and now add butter pieces and mix well on a low flame. Check the salt. If it's too less, add in some more. Add some black pepper powder and mix well. Once the butter and the lemon juice is well combined, our sauce will be ready. Take it out in a bowl. And now it's time for presenting. Here I have all the 3 elements, so I'm adding the lemon butter sauce first. Next, I'm adding in some onion rings on top of it. Some capsicum juliennes. And now I'm placing the paneer pieces on top. And now finally it's time for the vegetables. This is my style of presenting the dish, but you can present it in the way you want it to. And now top it finally with some more sauce. And the beautiful looking peri peri paneer is now ready. Serve it hot to your guests and you're surely gonna rock it.